Hey everybody, I am Raksha. Welcome back to my video. And in this video, I'll be talking about the effective tips to talk with clients and work with projects internationally, part B. So let's get started. So, first point, as you can see on my screen here, is keep a sticky note open on side to note the points of discussion provided. You only write the crisp context under 3 to 4 words. So, I'll just show you how what app I'm talking about. So, this is the sticky note application that you can have it with you. So whenever I am in a call with my client, so I generally use this and I make sure that whatever he's trying to say, I jot down all the points, necessary points, but ensuring that I just keep a crisp note. I don't have to write long paragraphs in the call. It just have to be very short so that you can then frame it and then share with your clients later on. So next is, it is better to share a list of holidays of your home country to your clients. So internationally, when you're working with your clients, so the list of holidays, if you share in advance, so it would be much better. So they have assignments planned in that manner. So it is always advised that you exchange that what all holidays you celebrate. Also, it would be great if you share about your culture so you can have more familiarity with the clients working on your projects. Next, keep a check of international timings as you may be required to set your meeting invites. Enable dual clock in your PC or in your phone so that you are aware of the timing. Else, add a sticky note on your working desk. So, generally, what I do is I use my smartphone, and in that, I just enable the dual clock option. So, based on that, I'm aware that my client is in this particular time zone, and I am in my time zone. So, I can always set a window, like a common window from which he and I at my end can connect. Next, make sure you don't compose mails every time. Rather, try to continue the thread by using reply all. So, I think that this is a very good practice because generally, what happen is every time people compose a new mail, so instead of that, try to just use reply all, so that will help you to maintain the complete conversation thread. Next, check proper grammar and sentences while drafting an email. Reread it before sending it to ensure that no mistakes are done. Add signature that includes your name, designation, organization logo, and website. So when you draft a mail, so it is generally advised that you always check with all the grammar and all the that no mistakes are done, so that you have a proper professional presentation in return when you share a mail to your client. And it is advised that you add a signature that should include about your organization, about your designation and your name, and also the position of you in the organization. uh, Next, organize your project files in your Teams channel with proper folder structure and naming convention. Date to be at prefix, or example short date hyphen file name dot csv. I think it highly depends on you how you want to keep a naming convention, but just keep it short and make sure that you organize your files and folders very properly. So then that time when you're in a call with clients, so at least you're aware that where the file is. You don't have to navigate to here and there and look for the files. Just keep yourself organized every time when you're entering a call. Next, ensure to update the QMS document with list of tasks and subtasks completed by end of week, and update the billable hours in T metric or whatever the Clockify app that you're using in order to record the working hours. So what happens is, whenever we try to work on project and we make sure that, hey, this much of the hour I have contributed in the project, so you make sure that you add it every time. Just don't delay it that, okay, I'll do it after 10 to 15 days, because you will never remember what you have worked on and how many hours you have worked on. So it is advised that you keep a consistency in that. You update how much hours you're putting in, so that it will be more transparent at your end as well as the client's end. And later on, it will not give you trouble, or will not provide you any kind of mess. So more sorted you are, the more better things will be. So I recommend that you just try to organize yourself as much as you can. So for a better clarity and higher productivity. So that's it about this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'm sure you must be having more tips or other techniques, that practices that one must follow. So please do drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.